Welcome to 660 Scorpio Lane, located in beautiful Foster City. This incredible townhouse has been lovingly maintained and cared for by the same family for over 30 years. We are so excited to show you this stunning property. Rob, what are they going to see?
Thanks, Michael. This stunning 5-bedroom, 3-bath property features a remodeled kitchen, freshly painted interior, full bedroom and bathroom downstairs, and that's just the beginning.
Oh yes, there's a park right at the end of the court, a greenbelt right behind the home that's been host to many parties over the years, and wait till you see the lagoon, the pool area, clubhouse, tennis courts. This community is absolutely incredible. Let's go take a look. As you enter the home, you're greeted by the front dining and living area that is adorned with crown molding and boasts beautiful vinyl plank flooring that flows throughout the downstairs.
The downstairs bedroom enjoys a picturesque view of the lush front.
The downstairs bathroom is equipped with a tile shower, glass shower doors, wood vanity with stone countertop, and matching wood cabinet for extra storage, and a large capacity washer and dryer with additional shelving.
This remodeled kitchen showcases custom cabinetry, exquisite granite countertops, a sophisticated tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. The recessed lighting complements the ambiance, making it perfect for both weeknight dinners and lavish entertaining.
The additional living room adjacent to the kitchen showcases luxury vinyl plank flooring, crown molding, a ceiling fan for those warmer days, and an electric fireplace to cozy up during the cool Foster City months. A built-in cabinet for additional storage, and sliding door access to the rear patio.
Feel the plush comfort as you move upstairs on the newly installed luxury textured carpet that flows throughout the upper level.
Solar tubes light the stairway, primary bathroom, and upstairs guest bathroom during the day, saving energy and illuminating spaces.
Primary bedroom is a personal oasis, featuring a lofty vaulted ceiling, panoramic window, crown molding, and an ensuite bathroom boasting a double vanity, tile flooring, tiled shower with glass shower doors, and a solar tube to allow natural light during the day.
Now let's explore the 3 additional bedrooms upstairs, each boasting new plush carpeting, spacious closets, one being a walk-in, and large windows for ample natural light.
The upstairs bathroom is well appointed with a tiled shower over tub combo, tile flooring, wood vanity with stone countertop, recessed lighting, and a daylight-powered solar tube.
The rear patio features an outdoor space for entertaining and a gateway to the ample greenbelt, where you will find yourself at peace as you navigate the picturesque pathways.
Nestled conveniently nearby, multiple charming playgrounds await, promising hours of joyful playtime.
Adding to the appeal of the community is an impressive clubhouse, sparkling pools, and playful tennis court, all overlooking the magnificent lagoon, the perfect hub for gatherings and celebrations, providing a space to connect, celebrate, and create lasting memories.
Venturing a bit further, Edgewater Park awaits, offering tranquil escape.
A short distance away is the renowned Leo J. Ryan Memorial Park, featuring a treasure trove of leisure opportunities that allows visitors to immerse themselves in the tranquil surroundings.
Foster City is an immensely diverse community, brimming with prospects and unparalleled experiences. Nestled in the heart of the San Francisco Bay Area, it boasts exceptional schools and is renowned for its safety and friendly neighborhoods.
Shell Cove is not just a place to live, it's a lifestyle.
Doesn't this feel like an incredible community? Thank you for taking the tour with us.
And for more information, photos, to review this video again, or to see a full 3D scan of the entire property from any device in the world, go to the property website at 660scorpio.com. And if you have any questions or you'd like to schedule a private showing, just give us a call. Take care.